In order to update your Twitter or X banner image, you have to follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to open your Twitter application on your mobile device, log into your account, tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of the screen, and then tap on your username or your name in the top. After that, you will be taken to your profile page. Now tap on Edit Profile from the left side of the screen. Then after click on the banner image at the top, you will see the option of Take Photo, choose Existing Photo or Change Photo. As I do not have any banner image set before, I'm going to go ahead and tap on Choose Existing Photo to set a new one. Now once you choose the image, tap on Apply in the top right. And you'll be done. You can resize and adjust the image as needed. And by doing so, your account will be updated with a new banner image. So the recommended banner size is 1500 by 500 pixels for optimal quality, and you're all set. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.